Understanding your credit report, a step-by-step guide. Do you know how to spot errors on your credit report that could impact your credit score? Your credit report is the most important piece of information that lenders use to determine your creditworthiness. So, it's very important for you to understand your credit report and how to identify errors and inaccuracies. Your credit report plays a key role in your financial future, from renting an apartment to buying a home or car, and in some cases, getting a job. In this video, we'll check out a credit report from Equifax, which you can get on annualcreditreport.com, and review the most important sections: personal information, accounts, payment history, public records, and inquiries. Welcome to Credit Repair Q&A, where I make videos to answer your credit repair questions and provide practical advice. No hacks, no hustles, and no business schemes. Just useful information to help you understand how to improve your credit and financial well-being. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and watch my other credit repair videos. Now let's get started. The three main credit reporting agencies, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, are mostly used by lenders to get your credit report. These reporting agencies must ensure that the information they report is accurate and up to date. They are required by the Fair Credit Reporting Act to remove any incorrect, outdated, or unverifiable information. That's why it's important for you to review each of your three credit reports at least once a year and to understand them to ensure their accuracy. When you first get your credit report, carefully check the personal information section, which includes your name, address, birth date, social security number, and employers. Look for errors and outdated information in this area. Old names, addresses, and employers that used to be yours but are not current now can be removed by the credit reporting agency. You should also be aware that mistakes in your personal information might signal that someone is trying to steal your identity. If you see info that shouldn't be there or anything suspicious in your credit report, contact the credit reporting agencies quickly to keep your credit score and identity safe. Next, let's take a look at the accounts section. In this part of your report, you get a summary of your loans and credit cards. You will see information about your creditors, such as their name, account number, and the account's current status. This part also has important details like how much you have to pay each month, the total amount of credit you can use, when you're supposed to pay, and when you last made a payment. Now check out the payment history part of your credit report. This part tells you how you've handled payments for each credit account. It shows if you regularly pay your bills when they're due. Lenders look at this part to determine if you pay your bills on time and are a responsible borrower. Check marks in this section indicate on-time payments for the month. Late payments are indicated by the number of days the payment was overdue. Account details are also in the payment history section, including your credit limits, overdue amounts, types of accounts, and current balances. It also contains important dates, such as when the account was opened, the last payment date, the amount overdue, the last activity date, and the date when delinquency was reported. If you discover any mistakes in this area, make sure to contact your credit provider or the credit reporting agency. Mistakes here can impact your credit score, such as if it wrongly shows that you missed a payment or that your account is overdue, which can decrease your score by a few points. The public records part of your credit report has bankruptcies, tax liens, or court judgments. Mistakes in this area can really hurt your credit score, making it tougher to get loans or credit. Bankruptcies, judgments, and liens can lower your credit score by several points and stay on your report for 7 to 10 years. The inquiries section of your credit report shows which creditors and organizations looked into your credit history. It's important to make sure no one checks your credit report without your permission. Credit reporting agencies are not supposed to give your credit report to anyone without your approval, and they should remove any inquiries that you didn't authorize. You will see two types of inquiries in your report: hard and soft. Hard inquiries happen when you apply for a loan or credit, and they can stay on your file for up to 2 years. The impact is more significant in the first few months and gets less over time. Each hard inquiry might bring your score down by 2 to 5 points. Soft inquiries come from companies offering credit deals, periodic checks by your current creditors, or your own request to see your credit file. They don't affect your credit score, but may stay in your credit report for up to 2 years. If you have too many inquiries, it might make lenders think you're taking on too much credit, making you seem like a riskier borrower. We've now discussed the main parts of the Equifax credit reports. You will find similar information in TransUnion and Experian reports. Checking your credit reports helps you stay on top of errors and inaccuracies on your credit report, and if anyone makes inquiries without your permission. If you find inaccuracies in the information on any of your 3 credit reports, it could cause your overall credit score to go down. You have the right to have all 3 credit reporting agencies remove or correct the negative information. So that's it. Now you understand your credit reports and know what to do if you find errors that can hurt your score. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. For more credit repair information, watch my other videos, like and subscribe to my channel, and check out my book at creditruintocreditworthy.com.